What's up, Doughmasters? Welcome to episode 14 of Row for Sourdough, the chaotic baking series where I let the dice control my loaves. As always, this series is inspired by Row for Sandwich, Row for Barbecue, and Row for Breakfast, and all the other amazing Row for content out there. And this is going to be, hopefully, if everything goes right, the last episode without a dice tower. So let's get into it and see what the dice have in store for us today. Start with our chaos roll. We got a 16 wild magic. So let's move to the seasoning and see what we're going to get in our bread today. We got 6 garlic powder and 9 everything but the pizza seasoning. I mean, could you ask for a better pairing? Who doesn't put garlic on their pizza? So I'm excited on where this is going to go after the last 2 episodes. Hopefully we get some normal breads. I'm going to hold my breath for the wild magic, but I'm hopeful. So here we go, getting the seasoning all mixed into the dough. And now we move to the inclusions. What are we going to add to the bread? We got 11 deli meat and 15 cheddar cheese. Perfect. I mean, perfect. So I got some more of the ham left over from the Christmas loaf, and then I add in a decent amount of shredded cheddar cheese, and I get it all folded in and mixed in the dough all works together so it makes a great loaf. Here it goes. And now for the thing that could change it, the wild magic, we get 18. Add crushed hot Cheetos. I mean, this loaf sounds amazing. So here it is after it sat in the fridge for 24 hours. There we go, the hot Cheetos, getting them all crushed up in the bowl. Then we got to make sure we score the bread before we put it on, doing some random things because I want the bread to look cool. And so here we go. I got to spray the bread so the hot Cheetos stick to the loaf. Put it in the middle so you guys can see me do it. And let's get as much hot Cheetos on this bread as we can. I want it full coverage. I am a little worried about it burning, but I think with the water inside the Dutch oven, it should be good. So let's put a decent amount on there because we want that hot Cheeto flavor to come through. And here it is out of the oven. It looks crazy. It looks amazing. I mean, just look at this bread. It is everything I want. It is a perfect looking bread. Let's cut into it and see what the insides look like with the cheese and the ham. And yeah, it looks great. We got some nice pockets. Everything is spread out nicely. I mean, look at this bread. They got the ham, got the cheese, you got the hot Cheetos. So let's get it in. And you know, always, we got to get that thumbnail. And here we go, about to try it fell. Here we go, trying to eat the bread. And boy, was this really good. It is consistent flavor throughout. You get the ham, you get the cheese, you get the pizza, you get the garlic, you get the hot Cheetos. Everything works together great. This is by far the most normal bread I have made so far in this series. I call it the Flaming Familiar. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. Very few things I would change if I did it again. Hope you have a good